In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download images on a Wix site. If you have an image stored in your Wix Media Manager and you want to save a copy of it to your computer, the process is very simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To get started, open your Wix site dashboard or editor, depending on where you normally manage your content. Once you're inside Wix, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on Wix. This will open the main menu area where you can access different tools connected to your site. From there, click on Media Manager. This is the section where Wix stores your uploaded images, videos, and other media files. If you've added pictures to your website before, this is the place where those files are usually kept. Once you're inside the Media Manager, take a moment to locate the image you want to download. You can scroll through your library or use the layout to find the exact file you need. If you have a lot of media saved, it may help to slow down and make sure you're selecting the correct image before downloading it. When you find the image you want, hover your mouse over it. As you do that, additional options will appear for that file. Look for the three-dot icon, sometimes called the More Options menu, and click on it. This opens a small menu with actions you can take for that image. In that menu, click Download. Wix will then begin downloading the image to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the file may either save automatically to your default downloads folder or ask you where you'd like to save it. And that's it. That's how to download an image from your Wix Media Manager. A quick tip before you finish. If the file doesn't seem to download right away, check your browser's Downloads bar or Downloads folder to confirm that it was saved successfully. It's also a good idea to double-check the image file name after downloading so you know you grabbed the correct one, especially if several images look similar in your media library. Once you've done it once, the process becomes very easy and fast. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you download your images from Wix quickly and confidently.